RBS technology incorporates vertically mounted burners that circulate heat from bottom to top. No fat dripping on the burners means no flare-ups. A healthy way of cooking as the meat does not burn. With Campingaz unique RBS, fat and juices from the meat fall directly onto the briquettes or into the grease drawer, providing the traditional barbecue flavor without the flames, smoke or flare-ups. Food will always taste as it should, as circulating heat cooks the food evenly thanks to the RBS system and its ceramic briquettes. It is really easy to use and ignite thanks to the automatic piezo ignition. The piezo is located away from food sprays, guaranteeing a longer lifetime for the barbecue ignition system. The ceramic burners on RBS barbecues are not clogged up with meat juices or fat, thus guaranteeing an exceptional lifetime for your burner that will not need to be replaced. Cleaning a Campingaz RBS barbecue is a rapid task, made easy thanks to the enameled grills that ensure no baked-on grease and a removable grease drawer.